There's something special about warm spices that instantly make a dish feel richer and more inviting. And today we're bringing that into your kitchen with this homemade Moroccan style seasoning that comes together with ingredients you likely already have. You can find the full recipe in the description below. Into a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of paprika along with 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander to create that deep, earthy base. Then bring in warmth with 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric for that signature Moroccan character. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt to balance and enhance the blend. Now mix in 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder for a subtle savory layer. Follow with 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to add gentle heat and complexity, and finish with 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar to round everything out with a soft touch of sweetness. Mix everything thoroughly until the spices are evenly combined and the blend looks rich and uniform. If you enjoy simple blends like this that bring big flavor, go ahead and like this video and share it with someone who loves cooking. And for more recipes like this, subscribe to SpiceRally and tap the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. And your homemade Moroccan style seasoning is ready to go. This makes about 3½ tablespoons, which works beautifully with meats, roasted vegetables, and even rice or grain dishes when you want to add depth and character. Leftover seasoning can be stored in an airtight jar away from heat and sunlight, and it will stay fresh for up to 6 months. So give this simple blend a try and make it part of your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes where it's all about flavors made simple.